Welcome, children. Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So, dear children, today we will see division of fractions. Before you have to divide fractions, you need to keep in mind some steps. Step number 1. First of all, you have to check if there are mixed fractions, then you have to convert it into improper fractions. Step number 2. The first fraction you have to keep as it is, which is a dividend fraction, you will keep as it is. And the next step is to change the division into multiplication. Remove the sign of division and you have to give the sign of multiplication. Step number 4. The divisor fraction, which is the second fraction, you need to take its reciprocal, invert it or flip it. That means you need to change its numerator into denominator and denominator into its numerator. And now we have to follow the usual method of our multiplication of fraction, like we are doing. You have to multiply the numerators, then you have to multiply the denominators, and you need to simplify it or get it the reduced form. So the steps are very easy. Keep in mind. Like, we like to share your example. In this example, the first fraction is 2 integer 4 by 3. You need to divide it by 3 integer 3 upon 5. So here you will first convert it into improper fraction. 2 3s are 6 plus 4 10, 10 upon 3. And then this one, 3 integer 3 upon 5, 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 18 upon 5. This one. Now this is a very important stage. At this stage you will get two fractions, 10 upon 3 divided by 18 upon 5. Now keep the first fraction as it is, this one, and then change the division sign into multiplication. That is, you have removed the division sign and you have given the into sign. And 5 upon 18. Here 10 5s are 50, 18 3s are 54. Now this 50 upon 54 I can reduce it because both can be divisible by the 2. So I am going to divide it by 2. So final fraction I am going to get 25 upon 27. As simple as that. So here you can just check out in general, a by b divided by c by d. So the fraction a by b is going to be as it is. The division sign is turned into the multiplication. C by d we have flip it. Flip is in the sense you need to invert it. You need to take the reciprocal. Means the numerator changes into denominator, denominator changes into the numerator. Now here is a very simple stage. We come to know the multiplication of fraction. You just need to multiply numerators a into d, and you need to multiply the denominators b into c, and then the final product you can simplify if necessary. So here again you can see 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 3, 4 by 5 as it is, division turns into multiplication, that is multiplication, and then 2 by 3 turns into 3 by 2. 4 3s are, you can write it 12, and then 5 2s are 10, and you can reduce it with the 2's table. You will get, and 12 by 10 you can observe it, it is an improper fraction, the fraction where denominator is less than the numerator. So you can say easily you can reduce it. You can divide it like this: 2 6 are, 2 5s are, 6 upon 5, still it is a improper one, so you can write into the mixed one. 5 ones are 5, 1 left, and then 1 integer 1 upon 5. Moving to the one more example, friends, you can see here 2 by 3, we have written 2 by 3, multiplication turn into the division, and then you are having multiplication turns into the division turns into the multiplication, and 4 by 5 we have flip into 5 by 4, and then like a simple multiplication you do 2 5s and then 3 4s. 2 5s are 10 and 3 4s are 12. 10 upon 12, that means 5 upon 6, and this 5 upon 6 is a proper fraction and reduced form, so here is a result ready. Now here one more we are having 6 2 by 3 divided by 1 1 by 3. 6 2 by 3 we can write 6 3s are 18 plus 2 20 upon 3, which is going to divide by 4 upon 3. So now we have got the improper fractions. Now you can write it 20 by 3 first fraction as it is, division turns into multiplication, and 4 by 3 we need to flip it 3 by 4, and then here only you can cut 4 1s are 4 5s are 3 1s are, and this 3 1s are, just left 5 1s upside 5 and 1 1s are 1. 5 upon 1 means only 5. One more example is there, friends. 3 3 by 4, you need to divide it 2 1 by 2. So 3 3 by 4 is there, 4 3s are 12 plus 3 15 upon 4, and then divided by 2 1 by 2 is 5 upon 2. So you need to follow here the same steps. 15 by 4 you need to that convert the division into multiplication, and 5 by 2 you will flip it into 2 by 5, and here you can divide it 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, and then you can also cut 5 1s are 5 3s are, but after just simplifying you will get 15 1s are 15 and 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10 you will get, and then you have to write down this as a, this is a improper fraction. The improper fraction you can write into the mixed one, 10 1s are and 5 1 by 10. Again here 5 by 10